Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best plant stands available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have CFMOUR Plant Stand. The garden shelf is made of natural wood that has a stable structure. This flower shelf 23.2 long contact area. Also this plant stand shelf load bearing up to 150 pounds. The natural wood, which is known for its strength and dimensional stability as well as its natural resistance to rot and pests. It is recommended to put the heavier flower pot underneath and the lighter flower pot on the upper layer. The CFMOUR flower stand with ABS plastic joints. Clever use of the triangle stability principle. You can make the wood plant holder more stable. At number 6 we have wood plant stand. It is made of eucalyptus wood that is processed under 1000 degrees Fahrenheit without paint or chemical treatment. The plant or display is safe for your family, pets and environmentally friendly. You can easily fit 8 plants on the shelves and more if you place several on the same level. Once set up you will love the looks and feel of this display. It is perfect for flowers, succulents, cactus, bamboo, bonsai, orchid or herbs. The plant stand comes with illustrated instruction, a little wood hammer, a pair of gloves and 3 mini gardening tools. At number 5 we have bamboo plant stand. It is made from premium bamboo, sturdy structure with 4 stick pads to protect your floor. The nature and walnut color is all matchable with most home decor. It is safe to use in both indoor and outdoor. This planter rack is lightweight and portable, which comes with 6 tiers on different height. You can easily move it to anywhere to well organize 7 pots of your plants at most, letting your lovely plants and flowers. You can enjoy the sunshine in a comfortable condition for better growth. At number 4 we have Hami plant stand. It is made from solid bamboo. You can easily place it on a porch, in your gardening area, sunroom or any other space that needs brightening up. It has a beautiful start to your indoor garden or a gift for a friend. The solid structure make this plant stand durable and strong enough for your daily use. It offering sufficient spaces for storing and displaying assorted vigorous potted flowers. Your lovely plants will enjoy the sunshine in a comfortable environment and grow better. It comes with a pair of gloves and a stainless steel Allen wrench for assembly. At number 3 we have spaceaid plant stand. These plant stands are made of high quality wood that has a stable structure by themselves. It comes with the environment-friendly materials. The plant shelves are designed to last for years in any occasions for indoor and outdoor use. The construction of the planter stands are designed with plastic joints to connect. The set includes 12 tiers which can hold 12 to 24 pots of regular size. Each single tier can hold a tall pot bearing up to 150 pounds, which will meet your plant organization requirement and daily storage needs. At number 2 we have boba plant stand. You can raise your lively plants in a higher place and settled it in your corner, and made it attractive and eye-catching in your home. It is made of sturdy pine wood which has a smooth surface and a stable triangular base. Undergoing 300 degrees Celsius high temperature carbonization ensures the retaining the texture, no fade, shrink, warp, crack. The smell of rosin can relieve pressure and improve sleep quality. At number 1 we have Homkart plant stand. Homkart plant stands are made of natural eucalyptus wood, environmental protection material known for its strength and durability. And it's carbonized in the 600°F high temperature. That's making the plant shelves more durable and can be outdoors on cloudy or sunny days. The plant shelves have multi-tiers which can hold 12 to 15 potted plants. The upgraded plastic corner joints hold shelves tightly so it's sturdy enough to hold 200 pounds planters. The wooden plant stand is light to carry in place. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best plant stands for your need.